Yo, welcome back to Wild1studios. If you're making music, you've probably heard people talk about mixing and mastering like they're the same thing. But trust me, they're not. Today we're breaking down the real difference between mixing a song and mastering a song. So your tracks don't just sound good in your headphones, they sound professional everywhere. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and join the Wild1studios family for more music production tips, tricks, and insider knowledge. What is mixing? Mixing is the process of taking all the individual elements of your song, your vocals, drums, bass, synths, guitars, and blending them together into one balanced track. A mix engineer will adjust levels, EQ, compression, panning, reverb, and other effects to make sure every sound has its space. The purpose of mixing is to create clarity, depth, and emotion in the song. When done right, the listener hears one cohesive piece of music instead of a pile of separate sounds. What is mastering? Mastering comes after mixing, and it's about polishing the final stereo track, not the individual instruments. The mastering engineer applies EQ, compression, limiting, and loudness adjustments to make the song consistent and competitive with other professional releases. The goal is to make sure your track translates across all playback systems, car speakers, headphones, clubs, streaming platforms, and provides a last layer of quality control before release. 3. Key differences. Here's the real difference. Mixing is about individual detail working with each track in your session. Making sure the vocals cut through, the bass doesn't overpower the drums, and the overall vibe feels right. Mastering, on the other hand, it's about global adjustments. You're working with the finished stereo mix, making subtle changes to polish the entire song as a whole. Mixing can change the creative balance of instruments, while mastering cannot fix a bad mix. It can only enhance what's already there. Mixing is creative and technical at the track level. Mastering is technical and critical at the final stage. Think of mixing as building the house, and mastering as putting on the paint and polish so it's ready to show to the world. 4. Why both matter? Without a solid mix, your song won't have impact or clarity. Without mastering, even the best mix might sound too quiet, uneven, or different depending on where it's played. Together, mixing and mastering make your track radio ready, streaming ready, and playlist ready. So that's the breakdown. Mixing makes your song sound amazing. Mastering makes it sound finished. 2 different stages, both equally important if you want your music to compete with the pros. If this helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe to Wild1studios for more producer tips, industry insights, and ways to take your music career to the next level. Until next time, keep creating and keep pushing your sound forward.